Hello everyone, Michael Roberts here, and I want to show you version 2.2. This is going to be the first major upgrade to the Kaching software since you guys have received it. And I just want to run you through the changes real quick and how to upgrade and show you how easy it is. So you're going to launch the Kaching application like normal. And if you already have the application running, I know a few people just always leave it open. Make sure you shut down the application from time to time and relaunch it to look for a new version. Now, it just gives you this message here on what version you're running and what our latest version is, and then it lists some of our new features. Now, if you hit cancel, it's just going to close the application. We actually won't let you run an old, outdated version. And that's because we submit to so many different sites that change so rapidly. If we allowed customers to use an old version, the software would fall apart very quickly. So you're always getting new versions, and we want to keep everyone up to date. So click the OK button. The update is quite fast, as you can see. And then the application reinstalls itself, and away you go. It only takes a few seconds, and you're already back into the application. A very visible difference you can see already is we have a new ad that matches our branding. We're finally getting ready to roll out with our new website, so all of our branding will match with the new logo and new look and the new platform. You can also see what's new has changed in here, and you can now see what we're working on for the next version. But some of the major changes are if you go into the settings page, and right here under the SB and RSS accounts, we've added this check button. We noticed a lot of customers actually had trouble. I have even faced this problem myself a few times of entering the wrong username or password. Unless you copy and paste those in from somewhere else, you can occasionally get a typo and you think it's right, and then it winds up causing submission errors later on, and it's just frustrating. So now we have this simple check feature. So you'll be able to enter a username and password and then click check, and it will let you know if it's valid or not. Alright, I fixed my username, and now I'll click check, and you can see now it lets you know that's valid. So it's very quick. You can just go down this list, add in all your social profiles, paste in the usernames and passwords, and just click check next to each one, and then it's just going to make sure that you got the credentials right, and it'll save any frustration from down the road. And if you're new to Kaching, this is actually the very first step you're going to want to do. You're going to want to come straight to the settings page and enter in your social profiles. Now let me show you another major feature. I want you to enter into a project here where we're going to enter a URL. Now before, when you'd add a new URL, you would go through the getting started, the title, the description, keywords. You go through all of these fields, and then you'd have to save and exit, which would take you back to this page. Then you'd have to click on it and click Submission Options. It was quite annoying and counterintuitive. So what we've done here is right under the URL navigation, you can just click and go through these fields, and then you just click and it takes you right to the Submission Options page, so you can go right into whatever type of submission you want to do next. This is a major update. It's going to save you guys about 2 clicks and a few seconds with every submission you do. Just makes complete sense. So I'm really excited to get that added. We also have some submission fixes. Sometimes we were seeing some instability with submitting to Dig and a few other sites, so we've fixed those. We've also added some admin checks as well to help customer support to be able to help you guys even quicker. So these are the latest updates with version 0.22, and version 0.23 will be out in about 9 days from today, and it's going to include a major directory overhaul as well as our tiny URL service, which I'm excited to launch as well. So it's going to be a very powerful update in about 9 days. So keep an eye out for that. You're going to get hundreds of new directories you can submit to. Quite a bit more power there. So check in next time, and thanks for watching.